subscribe with notifications on.
Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club, guys. Welcome to Mr. K's Travel Club. Today I've decided, let me just quickly take a 10. I want to quickly check, this is the cruise ship, the cruise ship that is actually coming for the month of, let me see, what is this? MSC Musica will be here, MSC 29, and there will also be the travel arena. Okay, that is the travel arena, guys. So showcasing it's a screen that is showing the cruise, which will be landing, or actually will be dogging in Cape Town, Cape Town cruise port. But we are going to see inside. We are going to see how is it like. Right, we are going to see. So we're just going up, just to see. You go through the stairs. Go through the stairs, just to see how it's also a nice place where you can sit and relax here as well. You know, you can sit and relax. So we're going up just to see, to check the cruise ship that is actually, that is docked. And the rest we'll see as time goes on. Okay? So, we go. This is how we're going to see this big thing. It's called there is huge. It is huge, right? It is called Mayskiff 6. Mayskiff 6. See, guys, it has got such a wonderful. They've got nice lot of balcony, lot of balcony, as you can see there. This is Cape Town, guys, Cape Town port, right? So you can take a cruise ship here and go to Europe. You can go to Barcelona. You can go to Madrid from Africa in Cape Town. And see, these are all balconies, as you can see there. These are all balconies, right? Balconies, right? You can see these are all balconies, right? See the balconies. This is too big, yeah? It's too big, right? So we will take one from here to Dubai in December. This is very good. It's such a nice, we'll have 20 days on this thing, on this big thing, yeah? But the one that we are going to take is bigger than this one. It is called, what is the name of this cruise ship? I can't remember. It's Costa Toscana, yes. Costa Toscana departs from here, and it will go to Dubai. So we'll be going past through Mauritius, and then we are going to see some other places as well in Africa. Such a wonderful thing, guys. Such a wonderful experience. Sometimes it's good to travel. You experience, what's happening. You see the other type of life other people are living. This is such a wonderful thing, So it is nice. Such a nice cruise ship, right? She's taking videos. She's taking some pictures. All right, so that's it. Right? This is such a beautiful thing, guys. Beautiful thing. Sometimes it's good to travel, guys. Good to travel. So, yeah, and I think that is the buffet. Yeah, I think on top there it is their buffet. Yes, on top there is the buffet. It is their buffet, right? This ship is so nice, guys. Such a beautiful cruise ship, right? Yeah, this is their buffet on top there, their buffet. So the cruise ship is good. It's big, guys. Such a big cruise ship from Cape Town. It will go to Dubai, and it will go past Mauritius as well. And you can see the importance of, we have, we've been always wasting money, always booking cruise ships from here, and then we'll go to Europe, Barcelona, Milan, and so forth. But now that I know, and to be honest with you, the thing of not doing your research, it's very bad, because most people think that in South Africa there is no cruise ships, bigger cruise ships that leaves from here going to Europe. So we always been booking flights from Cape Town. We'll go to Dubai, and then from Dubai we'll go to Milan, or from Dubai we'll go to Milan or Rome, things like that. You understand? So we've done a lot of cruise ships, but now that I at least imagine I've been here in Cape Town for years now, since 2006. I've been staying here in Cape Town, 2006. But I knew there is a cruise port, but I didn't know that there was a big cruise ship like this that can depart from here, going to other countries like your Europe and so forth. Because there are so plenty of, even Royal Caribbean, there's some of their cruise ships. They depart from here. They go to Europe. There's one that is ending in Barcelona, and there is one ending in Dubai. There is one ending in there's a lot of places, guys. So you can take a cruise ship from here. You're actually gonna take a cruise ship from here. You go to via Mauritius. We have never been to Mauritius. This will be our first time in December when we will be taking a cruise ship from here. We are going to be going through via Mauritius, and then after, we are going to end our cruise in Dubai. So from Dubai, we are going to take a flight coming back to Cape Town, and it's actually very cheap. We are 5 people. It's only me and my wife and 3 children. I know our teenagers. We've got an 18-year-old girl, and a 14-year-old girl, and a 12-year-old boy. So, for us, when I was checking flights coming from Dubai back to South Africa, the flight was something like 35,000. Imagine 35,000 one way. Understand? One way. So you can see that you actually spend less than when you're booking a normal return tickets from here, going to Europe and come back, because you'll spend something like 90,000, 95, somewhere there. If you are cheaper, you'll get it for about 75, 85, but normally 90,000 rand. So you should be prepared to actually, go with something like, separate with 90,000 rand, because that's what we've been spending. We've been spending almost 90,000 rand flight tickets, return tickets, plus accommodation, depending on the days when the number of days we'll be spending in Europe before the cruise ship. Then normally we will take a cruise ship for about 7 days, and that cruise ship for 7 days we will be paying something like 85,000 rand. So you can tell 90 plus 85,000 rand, that's a lot of money. You understand? 175,000 rand. On top of that, we have to spend accommodation. So you can tell it's actually more than 200,000 rand that we need to have. But in this case, the cruise ship here from here is cheaper. We are going to spend something like 70,000 rand for the cruise ship going, right? Because we're not coming back with the cruise ship, and it's also important. The good thing about it, it is a 20 days cruise ship from Cape Town to Dubai, right? So unlike in Europe, where we used to cruise for book cruise ship for 7 days, and we spend something like 70,000, 80,000 rand. So here we're spending only for 7 days. Here you will be spending something like 70,000 rand, but for 20 days. Imagine this will be my first time, guys, be on a cruise ship for 20 days. 20 days. So as you can see, this is my family, all right? This is my daughter. She's taking some pictures. This is my daughter there, right? And then that's my family. That's my son. Understand? So we always travel together. Always nice. And here, you see that's me. All right, you can see that's me, and you can always have. We've got such a lot of experience traveling, guys. We've got a lot of experience traveling. We've been cruising and traveling to Europe for the past how many years now? Since 2012. So we've been doing cruises and stuff like that. So guys, I'm telling you, one day is one day. You also come one day and say, you know what, I want to be on a cruise ship. Come, then you learn how to cruise. This is such a wonderful thing, guys. Yeah. So, it's such a beautiful thing to have. Such a beautiful thing to have. As you can see, people there. They are actually coming from the cruise ship. Some of them are actually going out just to see, and some of them will be, they are inside. You see, so they go inside. Your bags, they collect your bags. There is another door. You enter there. You enter there. Another door. You enter there just to enter the cruise ship, right? You enter there. And there, these ones are actually going to go using the other entrance. They are using that entrance there, right? So, but there is another entrance here, which I'm not sure why they're not using it, but there is another entrance there. So that's how it is, right? So, guys, it's such a wonderful thing, wonderful experience, all right, guys? So we will talk again as time goes on. This is Cape Town cruise port. We'll talk again as time goes on, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching. All right, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and support our channel, and share as well. There's a lot of people who doesn't know that there are cruise ships, bigger cruise ships like these ones, who departs from Cape Town, Africa, the most beautiful city in Africa, in Cape Town, going to Europe. You can save a lot of money, and the cruise ship is big. You can see there. There's a lot of rooms. I'm not sure how many floors does it have. Let me see. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 floor. They've got 12 floor altogether. Yeah, 12. I'm not sure if there is another downstairs. I don't think so. I think it's one. Yeah, okay, see these ones here. You see here, these are called inside staterooms. Inside, and they are called inside stateroom, and these are ocean view, right? So you are able to stay on those ones. Ocean, you are able to see ocean. But these ones on top there, they are balconies. You can see, you can have a nice view there. And also inside the cruise ship, there is also rooms that are actually inside, which you can't be able to see. You won't be able to see the outside. But to have a lovely view, I would suggest, like I normally do, when we book, we always book a balcony. And we can sit, we can take our nice videos and stuff like that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching.